So when a teacher collaborates with parents, so keyword natin dito po, teacher collaborating with the parents to reinforce self-help skills at home. Sanong layer po ito ng ecological principle ni Yuri Bronfenbrenner? Is it letter A, mesosystem interaction, letter B, exosystem influence, letter C, chronosystem transition, or letter D, macrosystem ideology? Pag sinabi po nating microsystem, no, pag micro, maliit, di ba? Me and my world. Yung pinakamalapit na tao, na lugar sa kanya, that is his or her microsystem. So, halimbawa po niyan is yung mga family niya, yung classroom, yung mga classmate niya, or teacher. Okay, pag naman po mesosystem, middle links. Middle links naman po, meaning, pwede po itong maging combination or relationship ng dalawang microsystem. So, pwedeng si teacher, microsystem din yan. Si parent, microsystem din yan. Nag-collaborate sila. Pag naman exo, di ba, exo means outside. Meaning, exo here is the external influence. Ano-ano mga halimbawa nito? Yung mga parents' workplace. School board decisions that change the teacher's schedule. Sa macro naman po, yung macro, di ba, big. Micro is small, macro is big. Kapag macro, bigger picture, no? So, kapag macro na po yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung mga paniniwala, yung mga policies, yan po yung nakabilang dyan sa macro system. Kapag naman po chrono, di ba yung chrono natin dyan is merong CH. Chrono here, or CH, stands for change. Collaboration ng teacher and parent, ang sagot? Alright, that is mesosystem.